12 questions to ask when hiring a local SEO agency. 1. Have you worked with businesses in our industry? 2. Can you guarantee local SEO results? 3. What aspects of SEO should we consider outsourcing? 4. What metrics are the most valuable to analyze / which metrics are a top priority? 5. What are a few of your best clients or examples of case studies? 6. What kind of reports or monitoring updates will we be receiving? 7. What can our team continue to work on in-house? 8. How do you select top keywords for our brand? 9. How long does it take to start seeing results and improvements? 10. How is your company positioned in the current climate of change in the local SEO world? 11. Can you solve complex Google My Business, GMB, Yelp, Apple Maps and other listing issues? 12. Is review monitoring and response a part of the package, and what does that look like? For latest digital marketing news, guides, tips and strategy, visit webandtools.com now and keep yourself updated.